Coca-Cola marketing strategy, a case study. Coca-Cola, one of the globally well.
Before we start moving forward, make sure to subscribe channel and click on the bell icon. Sprint Seal provides training programs, certification programs on their websites. If you're interested in them, do check out the links in the description.
The known soft drink producing brands is still leading on top number 1, competing with all other soft drink producing brands in the market. The brand marketing strategy of Coca-Cola is exceptionally unique. Coca-Cola first set up its roots in 1886 and is still somehow capable of competing with every other soft drink brand in the market. Starting with 9 servings a day, Coca-Cola now produces about 1.9 billion servings each day. Coca-Cola's marketing strategies are so precisely designed that they have a strong brand base as well as global recognition. A well-designed strategy can help any company run down the right track towards the company's success. The precise marketing plan of Coca-Cola's growth is still a mystery. In this article, we will try to break down the Coca-Cola marketing strategy that we have studied. What is Coca-Cola? Coca-Cola is a type of carbonated soft drink that is being produced by the Coca-Cola Company. It was initially intended to serve as a patient's medicine drink. As a medicine, the Coca-Cola recipe was a known remedy, but now the formula for the soft drink remains a trade secret. Taking the name of the drink as a reference, this soft drink refers to a drink containing a blend of coca leaves and cola nuts, which basically is a source of caffeine. To compete with the leading companies, as always, there would always be competitors who would come up with alternatives. Although there are so many competitors out there, none of them have ever won against the Coca-Cola's marketing strategy. From pharmacist's elixir to global refreshment drink. On 8 May 1886, Dr. John Pemberton sold the first glass of Coca-Cola. Initially, Coca-Cola was being sold at a pharmacy in downtown Atlanta. It was first intended to be served as a patient's medicine. This medicine drink slowly turned into a refreshment drink, and now it is served as an alternative to fresh juice. Due to its wide availability across the globe, spanning across 200+ countries, the company now serves about 2.1 billion servings daily. What is Coca-Cola marketing strategy? Success for a company can only be achieved by designing a properly planned marketing campaign. Marketing is the key to the success of any company or project. Marketing strategies can be done in multiple formats. It all depends on what type of product is being produced by the company. The worldwide success of Coca-Cola can only be possible with a properly planned marketing strategy. Coca-Cola marketing strategies were mostly first experimented with before planning. Coca-Cola advertising strategy is one of the examples. Coca-Cola's marketing strategy ensures that the customer's needs are met. For every step they take, they make sure that their customer volume will not decrease. Coca-Cola, a name everyone knows when it comes to refreshment, has been winning hearts worldwide for over 100 years. Its ongoing success comes from smart and creative marketing moves. Here's a look at the key things that have kept Coca-Cola as a leader in the drink world. Global advertising. Creative advertising was always one of the key concepts of the Coca-Cola marketing strategy. Every time Coca-Cola works on advertising their brand, they do it worldwide. Together with this, they also respect their customers from every country they serve. Hence, they made themselves sure to provide their customers with what they wanted. Making the product available everywhere helped them cover all corners of the world. Labeling done in regional languages helped in developing emotional branding. Partnering with regional outlets and celebrities served more customers. Creative advertising entertained and attracted more customers. Branding. A brand of any kind is first identified and recognized by its logo. It is very important to know what you give to your customers. The logo, color, caption, all of these are part of the branding. Coca-Cola understood this very well and did the same. By maintaining the same brand logo, they made their customers understand that they were holding a branded item in their hands. The labeling pattern became a trademark for the Coca-Cola brand, and everyone can tell which one is a Coca-Cola simply by looking at it. Portfolio marketing. Branding also depends on the portfolio of the company. The Coca-Cola marketing strategy made sure that the company's portfolio was nicely maintained within their niche. The Coca-Cola brand grew by introducing multiple new products into the market. They managed to keep their portfolio limited to beverages like juices, teas, coffees, and soft drinks. This also helped them reach more customers with different preferences and tastes for soft drinks. They began to buy companies producing native products to first expand their portfolio for native customers. They gradually conveyed that they also had other products from their production, and customers responded to them by buying them. Native companies like Maaza, Fanta, and Sprite depended on Coca-Cola marketing strategy to expand their own brand. This helped not only Coca-Cola in expanding their customer base, but also other local soft drink companies. Competing with prices. When you receive global recognition, you start to receive more competitors. This makes it hard to compete with prices. The Coca-Cola marketing strategy was precisely designed to not only cut down the MRP but somehow maintain the profits of the products. This helped them maintain their customer volume. The pricing strategy and the marketing plan of Coca-Cola not only helped them smartly compete with competitors but also helped gain more customers. Coca-Cola's marketing strategy suggests that the company change its pricing frequently. Smart promotion strategies. Promotions can play a very important role in the marketing of a product. Since the liability for customers is increasing, promotion platforms have now become easily accessible. Hence, for big companies like Coca-Cola, it is now even easier to access all those platforms. Since Coca-Cola's distribution network is very vast, Coca-Cola's marketing strategy helps in covering almost every medium of promotion, such as newspaper, television, radio, billboards, posters and banners, social media, magazines. By utilizing all these modes of promotion, a product can reach almost any corner of the world, hence giving them the highest reach compared to their competitors. Sponsorships. Sponsorships are one of the most widely used methods to attract most customers. Coca-Cola is also one of those well-recognized brands for its sponsorships. Coca-Cola provides worldwide sponsorships for organizations like the Olympics, FIFA, NBA, and also television shows like American Idol. Such sponsorships actually help companies gain more customers. Fans of such organizations and shows look at celebrities consuming company soft drinks and will eventually try the same. Social media. With technology's rapid advancement, social media has become a vital part of Coca-Cola's marketing. The brand keeps its social accounts active with regular updates on products and campaigns, engaging a wide audience through strategic posts across various platforms. In 2024, Coca-Cola strengthened its digital and e-commerce approach, using data analytics to fine-tune campaigns and improve engagement. Their strategy includes influencer collaborations and content marketing, enhancing their online presence and adapting to the growing trend of online shopping. This e-commerce focus makes it easier for consumers to access Coca-Cola products anytime, anywhere. Digital success. Times social media expertise, Coca-Cola knows how to use social media well, connecting with people using fun campaigns, content made by users, and trending topics. TikTok, Instagram, and Twitter play big roles in its online approach. Times influencer collaborations. Working with popular influencers spreads the word further and builds excitement. Times data-driven ads. By using data, Coca-Cola makes its marketing messages more personal and runs better campaigns. Times online shopping focus. The company has made it easier for people to buy Coke products online.
If you found this video informative and useful, we'll always bring new concepts explained for you, so stay tuned with SprintSeal, and if you like the video, do share. If have any doubts or queries, do let us know in the comment section. Use the coupon code YouTube10 in our website to get 10% off on all our courses.